Looking for a smartwatch that does more than just count steps? The Garmin Venu 3S is built to help you truly understand your body. Right away, you'll notice its sleek, lightweight design, perfect for all-day wear, whether you're at the gym, at work, or out for a walk. It features advanced health tracking, including heart rate monitoring, sleep analysis, stress tracking, and even body energy insights, so you know exactly when to push and when to recover. With built-in GPS, you can track your runs, walks, and workouts accurately without needing your phone. One standout feature is the long battery life, giving you days of use without constant charging. Plus, the bright AMOLED display makes everything easy to read, even in sunlight. And with smart features like notifications and fitness coaching, it becomes your personal assistant on your wrist. Stylish, smart, and powerful, the Garmin Venu 3S is more than a smartwatch. It's your everyday wellness partner. Check the link in the description to learn more.